The learning component of the model includes crafting classroom activities according to the best principles of promoting learning. The principles of learning are active involvement, patterns and connections, informal learning, direct experience, reflection, compelling situation, frequent feedback, and enjoyable setting. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students display active involvement as they learn about the human heart. The class is conducting an experiment to study the human heart rate and some of the many factors that influence it. Using polar watches and pulse sticks, the students monitor their heart rates both during exercise and at rest in 3 different positions: sitting, standing, and lying down. Through the experiment, the students gain direct experience with the different factors that can influence heart rates, and they also gain direct experience using technology and science to study the human heart. The students further display active involvement as they analyze their heart rate data. After they conduct their experiment, the students compute heart rate averages for the males and the females in the class. The students then draw conclusions about the differences in heart rate between males and females. The homework assignment encourages the students to analyze their results further by creating bar graphs depicting the male and female average heart rates.
All right. The other thing I want you to look at is that on the back, and you can graph this one. This is the one we have complete data of. And so you're going to graph using a bar graph comparing the males and females, all right, in heart rate with the graph on the back. Can I borrow this? You can see the graph has 4 places, so you're probably going to be comparing exercise heart rate, so you need a good title, a very good descriptive title, so don't just say heart rate, because you're measuring heart rate in everything.
After the class has completed the experiment, gathered and analyzed their data, and drawn their conclusions, they engage in the process of reflection. In a full class discussion, the students consider factors that could have affected the results of their experiment.
Do you think that difference is due to the gender, just male and female?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe, Tron?
Because maybe to the male body, it wasn't working as hard on the insides. You know, if you're weaker, you work harder to lift something up than a stronger person would.
Okay, now, they're saying that the women in this class are weaker. Do you agree?
Saying that might be why. That might.
Okay, Tron, that's true. That's a possibility. It might be why. I want a response from the ladies. Megan.
Well, the differences in between how we were stepping. Because the boys are kind of off, and the girls are kind of on.
No.